Hi class, today I'm going to be reading you the book Fireman Small, and it's written and illustrated by Wong Herbert Yee. Okay, missed a picture. So first Fireman Small running to the fire extinguisher. I wonder what his job is. In the middle of town where buildings stand tall, there lives a little man called Fireman Small. The only firefighter this side of the bay. Fireman Small works night and day. He pulls the truck into station number 9, walks upstairs one step at a time, closes the curtains, gets in bed, and pulls the covers over his head. Ring-a-ling-ding sounds the alarm. Cat up a tree at the farmer's pig farm. Quickly out of bed he scoots, jumps into his pants and boots. Ready to go, he slides down the pole, puts on his helmet and coat below. Sirens sound, lights flashing round. Fireman Small races through town. In the magnolia squeals Farmer Pig. Tiny Cat is clinging to a twig. Neighbors rush to see what's the matter. Fireman Small springs up the ladder. The bough breaks and Tiny Cat falls into the arms of Fireman Small. Pig and neighbors all shout hooray. Fireman Small puts the ladder away. He pulls back into station number 9. He walks upstairs one step at a time, closes the curtains, gets into bed, and pulls the covers over his head. Cling-a-cling-clang rings the bell. Little Bunny has fallen down the well. Quickly out of bed he scoots, jumps into his pants and boots. Ready to go, he slides down the pole, puts on his helmet and coat below. Sirens blare, red lights glare. Fireman Small has no time to spare. Come quick, Mother Rabbit cries, holding back the tears in her eyes. Fireman Small peers in the well, climbs down to where little Bunny fell, finds little Bunny asleep on the ground, brings her back up all safe and sound. Mother Rabbit shouts hooray. Fireman Small drives back to the bay. He pulls into station number 9, walks upstairs one step at a time, closes the curtains, gets in bed, and pulls the covers over his head. Jing-a-ling-jing, the telephone rings. Bakery's on fire. Can't see a thing. Quickly out of bed he scoots, jumps into his pants and boots. Ready to go, he slides down the pole, puts on his helmet and coat below. Sirens cry, lights flashing by. Fireman Small sees smoke in the sky. He hops down from behind the wheel, jerks the fire hose off of the reel, breaks a window, knocks down the door, puts out the fire at Bakerman's store. Hippopotamus shouts hooray. Fireman Small has saved the day. He pulls back into station number 9, walks upstairs one step at a time, closes the curtains, gets in bed, and pulls the covers over his head. Ding-a-dong-ding, the doorbell chimes. Who would be calling at 9:30? Fireman Small hurries downstairs, opens the door to see who's there. It's his friend stopping by to say, "Thank you for all your help today. Thank you for making everything all right. Now go to bed and turn out the light." Fireman Small waves goodbye, climbs back upstairs, rubbing his eye, stretches and yawns, crawls into bed, and pulls the covers over his head. And that is the end. I really liked in this book how we learned that firemen not only put out fires, they also do lots of things to help their communities and keep their community members safe.